Hello, this is our latest ToolTALK segment, Water Damage Repair Assessments from ServiceMaster Restore Oakville. In this video, we examine how the condo managers and preferred insurance contractors can work together to limit condo corp liabilities at the time of addressing a new water damage repair. Given the increase happening for severe weather, this includes considering flood-resilient repair options for areas that are prone to storm damage. Number one, the first key factor, ensure the condo corp has clear direction on condo obligations versus unit owner obligations. When damages occur beyond the common areas and as affected units, a preferred insurance contractor can assist by reviewing your copies of any applicable bylaws or declaration to determine a standard unit definition. The standard unit will dictate what interior finishes the condo is responsible for within an affected unit. For example, drywall and one coat of paint and basic trim, but may exclude many trims, countertops, etc. that are the responsibility of the unit owners. A big cost factor is floor coverings that often become a unit owner responsibility when damages occur. Always be aware your condo may have passed a bylaw that defines when a water damage originated within a source unit that this unit owner is responsible to pay for damages in their unit and other units in areas damaged by the loss up to the condo deductible. Next, the insured contractor knows how to use that standard unit definition to provide damage assessments and separating the specific condo responsible costs. Often, the contractor may price a standard drywall and paint, standard carpet replacement for the condo, but also can support the unit owner and their insurer with a separate price for their upgrades if and when that's required. Important note, when an estimate is provided, it should spell out a scope of work with descriptions of square feet or linear feet, etc. affected by the water damage. Photos of the room areas in the scope are an absolute must. That is the way contractors help ensure condo corps know what they are getting and can get cost control. And finally, as mentioned, if your building is prone to stormwater affecting below-grade common areas, here is an example of how a preferred contractor provided a flood-resilient repair. In short form, drywall has organic material and readily supports mold growth. PVC materials are inorganic and do not support mold growth. The contractor had to remove lower drywall but replace with PVC that formed the base as well as filling the lower drywall space. For the unit owner lockers that had been flooded several times over the years, constructed platforms made of PVC to elevate owner's contents off the floor. In summary, when processing water damage repairs, expect the preferred insurance contractor to help with cost control for condo obligations, support unit owners separately when required, and recognize if your building is susceptible, provide resilient repair options, again, helping to limit liabilities.